exponent x plus 2 exponent x over 2 equals 60. Okay, so our equation becomes 2 exponent x plus 2 exponent x equals 2 times 60. Okay, so we're going to factorize. We have 2 exponent x multiplying 1 plus 1 equals 2 times 60. So we're going to have 2x times 2 equals 2 times, 60 is the same as 2 times 30. Okay, all right, so let's divide here by 2, here by 2. So this cancels this cancels this. So we are left with 2 exponent x equals 2 times 3, 0. So we're going to have 2 exponent x equals 2 times, now 30 is the same as 2 times 15. Okay, so 2 is the same as 2 exponent 1. Okay, so we're going to apply the first law of indices. So a exponent m times a exponent c equals a exponent m plus c. So in a case where the exponents are the same, we are going to have a exponent m plus m, okay, which equals a exponent 2m. So our equation becomes 2 exponent x equals 2 exponent 1 plus 1 times 15. Okay, now 15 is the same as 3 times 5. So our equation becomes 2 exponent x equals 2 exponent 2 times 3 times 5. Okay, now let's divide here by 2 exponent 2, here by 2 exponent 2. So this and this will cancel. Okay, so now we are left with 2 exponent x over 2 over 2 exponent 2 equals 3 times 5. Now let's apply the quotient law of indices. So a exponent m over a exponent c equals a exponent m minus c. Okay, so our equation becomes 2 exponent x minus 2 equals 3 times 5. Alright, so let's apply logarithm here. So we say log 2 exponent x minus 2 equals log 3 times 5. Now let's apply the product law of logarithm at the right side of the equation. So log a times b equals log a plus log b. So you're going to have log 2 exponent x minus 2 equals log 3 plus log 5. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do, we are going to apply the logarithm definition here. Okay, so log a exponent n base b equals n log a base b. So we're going to have x minus 2 times log 2 equals log 3 plus log 5. Okay, so we want to, the next thing we're going to do is to divide here by log 2, here by log 2, and then here by log 2. So this and this will cancel. Alright, so we are going to apply the change of base formula. So we say log a over log b equals log a base b. So our equation becomes x minus 2 equals log, okay, log 3 base 2, log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. Okay, all right, so we want to make x the subject of the equation. So we have x equals log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 plus 2. So this is our final answer.